All right, moving on to using the trapezoidal rule. Now, we're going to use the trapezoidal rule. It's really useful when you've got something with an irregular shape on one side of it, like this one's got a lake on one side of the shape. Basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding the area of a trapezium, basically. What we're doing is we're actually turning this kind of into that shape, and we're using it to approximate this area in here. So, I mean, when you look at that, we're missing out on this area here, but we're adding in this area here, and it kind of cancels out. So that's the point behind it. Anyway, the formula is up there. It's h over 2 d1, df plus dl. So area equals h over 2 df over df plus dl. Doesn't really matter which. What do you go? Now you'll notice they're using subscripts the same as I do. Basically, it's the distance of the first and the distance of the last. Okay. Um, don't worry, my cat just jumped out a window that was way higher than I think he expected, but that's okay. He's fine. Um, so here's what we've got. Now, a lot of the times these diagrams won't be like this. It'll be like sort of that, and it'll be curved. That is still your height. So in our particular case, this is our height there. And then this is D, let's go first, and this is D, let's go last. It doesn't really matter which one's which, but yeah, one of them's your first, one of them's your last. Cool. All right, so in this particular case, we've written down the formula. We're now going to write down what we know. So H equals 36, DF equals 20, and DL equals 22. We're then going to substitute in. So we've got area equals 36 over 2 outside of 20 plus 22. Now you guys can chuck that straight into a calculator. There's no problem with that. You're going to get 36 over 2, which will be 18. 18 times 20, 44. And you're going to end up with 756 meters square. And that is the nearest square meter. Okay. And that's all there is to that one.